What's up, beautiful people? And I want to welcome you all again to our day 15 of saving and investing for a period of 90 days. And of course, everybody know that we are definitely going to be cashing out our money on the 1st January 2026. Now, first thing first, I have two things for us in this day 15. The first one is good news. The second one is an update. So let me know in the comment section the one you want me to start first. Is it with the good news or the update? Okay, but anyways, let us start with the good news. So the good news is that we have just hit over 5,000 subscriber stronger. Yes, that is what we are now, over 5,000 subscribers stronger. How cool is that? I can never be able to do that if not because of you, if not because of every single one of you that not just watch the video, but you still went ahead to like the video, you still went ahead to comment, you still even went ahead to share the video. You are the real MVP. I'm so grateful. I want to appreciate you too for giving me this platform so I can be able to meet awesome people just like every one of you that is watching this video. I so much appreciate. Okay, I can't thank you guys enough. Okay, so real quick, let's move over to the second update that I have for us. But before I go to the update that I have for us, I want to know if you have saved today or you have invested today. If you have, let me know in the comment section. Let me know even the platform you used. If it is investment, is it Bamboo that you used? Is it RiseVest? Is it a free invest? Is it, let me know. If it is saving that you are saving, is it, which platform did you make use of? Is it Cowrywise? Is it PiggyVest? Is it OP? Is it Pampe? Let me know in the comments. Are you joining PiggyVest on the 90-day challenge that they are doing? Right? Yes, because of course PiggyVest, they are currently holding or running a 90-day challenge. So let me know the one you are doing in the comment section. Have you started? Let me know if you have started in the comment section, or you've not even started, or you don't even know your whereabouts. Just let me know in the comment section. I really want to interact with each and every one of you. Okay, yes. So in case you are coming across this challenge for the first time, please, I do not want you to feel like you are too late to join this challenge. Besides, I want you to start today, and that is going to prove to you and I that you are really serious in doing something about your finance. You are doing great. Okay, so the update I have for us today is about Dangote. Yes, because Dangote currently is asking us, yes, practically asking us to borrow him money so that he can use it for business and in turn pay us back our capital or pay us back the money we borrowed him, and also give us interest for borrowing him money. And the question is this, the question I have for us is this: when is our business going to get to the point that we can come out and ask, will I say, citizens of Nigeria to borrow us money, and they are going to be so willing and happy and eager to borrow us the money, so that at the end we are going to give them the money they borrow us, and then also pay them, give them interest for borrowing us money. See, it's not only just asking citizens of Nigeria to borrow us money, but this time around you want them to borrow you money for your business, and you give them time frame. You give them like period of time they can be able to borrow you this money and they are rushing, right? Now Dangote is asking that we should borrow him money for business, and he's giving us like 4 days. I need money from you guys, and you have only just 4 days to give me this money. Guys, so if you are not thinking about that, I want you to start thinking about that now. So I'm going to make a detailed video telling you step by step how you can be able to borrow Dangote this money and get paid for borrowing Dangote money. So if you are watching to this point, do well to click the like button in appreciation of the value you're always getting in this channel. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking that subscription button. Yes, just go ahead and scatter the subscription button, but please, because after smashing that subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one. You watched it. Okay, so keep winning as always, keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on that update, we get again tomorrow, comrade. Bye.